In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create tracking, performance tracking for different ISPs within MixBridge. What we're looking at here is a dashboard that we had set up. This is going to be our end results. And what this is allowing us to do is seeing how many openers we're getting, net new openers we're getting, as compared to how many new people we're adding from each ISP. So in this example, we see that we've added 643 people from Gmail on that day, and we have so far created 27 opens. So this is a good way for you to monitor how your ISPs are performing by ISP. The other thing that we do with this dashboard is we're able to see who our fans are. And so we're wanting to track on how many folks are opening many times, because we may be using them if we want to recover our reputation. So now I'm going to show you how to get everything set up from scratch. The first thing we want to do is you go into the targets area, and you can do that by just clicking into targets from this drop down nav menu, as you see. And then we just click add target. And we'll use Yahoo as an example. So we apply our basic filter with email, and we're going to put contains, and then you just put all the different permutations of Yahoo that you may have. And you see how we use a comma to separate them. Now we want to choose our list. So what list did we add them into? And that's done. So you're going to want to repeat this process. So this is for Yahoo added for the day. And again, that's going to let us know how many new people came in, because we want to track, again, how many net new openers we're gaining every single day. It's a way for us to understand momentum that we have within each ISP. So the other thing we have here, I'm going to show what we've already created for the Yahoo openers. So you see that we're just using the contains operator for email, and then opened within the last day. And notice that we have the all operator because we're wanting to meet all the rules there. So here you see all the different targets that we created. Gmail added, Gmail opened, Yahoo added, Yahoo opened, iCloud. We do non-major ISPs as well. And we'll take a quick look at the fans. So you see the email contains Gmail. The way we've set it up is in the last 14 days, 3 or more times. And again, it's any campaign. A quick note about the non-major ISP. What we did for that target is we have email does not contain, and we've got all the permutations of the major ISPs. So that's iCloud, Yahoo, and Gmail. You can add AOL in there as well if you'd like. We don't necessarily advise that because AOL and Yahoo are using the same filtering system. So Yahoo is a pretty good proxy for what is going to be happening over at Yahoo. But yeah, that's how we set up the non-major ISPs. You know, the email field does not contain, and again, just use all the permutations of that domain. Once our target is set up, we can go to the Autobots. And what we're doing here is we're going to tag people. So it's, we got the population of people who are meeting that criteria, but now we want to tag them so we can label them and then plot them into that business intelligence chart. So I'm going to give you an example here. So here we have Yahoo fans open 3x in 14 days. I'm going to show you how we started that from scratch. So I clicked add Autobot. It's a tag bot. And I'm just going to call this one Yahoo fans. We set our target. So we had set the target already in this process. So there we have that. And then we add the tag. And you'll create a new tag assignment. and it shows. So you just look at Yahoo Fans. That's the name of your tag bot. The Yahoo Fans open 3 times in 14 days is the target that you created. And then once we play this bot, we're going to tag them as Yahoo Fans. And then when you're done with that, you'll click a green save button on the bottom of the screen. And after we hit save, we're going to be back to our Autobots page. And now you see the tag bot that I had set up. I'm going to delete that. But you're going to repeat this process about 14 times. Again, for every group that you want to track, that's how many targets you want to create, and that's how many tags you want to create. Now, when that's done, we can go to our business intelligence dashboard, and you click the plus sign, and we'll call it ISP engagement. And here you click the tags button, and this is where we start to group it. So we had another one where we were looking at all the individuals that were added into this account, and we also wanted to track how many newly engaged people we had. Which is our open and clicked. And now I can just look at the last 7 days. And I'm going to do another one. Let's do Gmail for this one. So we got our Gmail added. We do our Gmail opened. And then we have our Gmail fans. And we click done. Now I like to use the last 7 days. So here again we see that for this day when we started to run this target, 645 people were tagged. Is that we have 27 openers so far, and we have 18 Gmail fans. Again, these are people who are opening 3 times within 14 days. So that brings this tutorial to an end, and we suggest that for every account, when you're going to be doing mass emailing, mass B2C emailing, that you set up these charts, because again, they're going to give you an indication of your IP health, ISP health. And if you start to see that there's like a downward trend, then that'll just give you your indication about moves you need to make to lay things off. And again, typically what we recommend is that you begin to hit all of your target the people who have been opening many times, because that's going to show the ISPs that you're getting a high level of engagement, and it's very likely that you're going to have lower spam complaints. So thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. We hope you find it very helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and click your account manager at MakesBridge, or email support@makesbridge.com. Thank you so much.